It is time to go and paint. It is time to go and play. It is time to go and dance with Tía Yolis. Tía Yolis, that's me. Tía Yolis, that's me. Tía Yolis, that's me. Tía Yolis.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another toy unboxing because I absolutely am obsessed with these things. There's so many different things you can find and unbox and you don't know what's inside. So I really enjoyed those world's smallest mini collectible toys. So I got 2 of them, and then I also got these 2 cute little mini backpacks, and inside there's tiny little school supplies. They're so adorable. So we're gonna see what they have inside for us. What should we open first? We have a visitor. Hi, Ellie. Where were we? Eeny, meeny, miny. Let's open one of these. Ellie, what do you think we're gonna get today, huh? Got it. These are all the things I can get. Are you guys ready? We're gonna count down. Ready? We're gonna start from 3. 3, 2, 1. Oh. You guys! Look! I got 2 mini Uno card decks. This is so cute. They're so tiny. And they're actual cards. Maybe I can buy tiny little hands to play tiny little Uno. I think I want to open a backpack, guys. I'm going to open this one because it's silvery and pretty and beautiful. Ooh. Let's see what kind of school supplies we have. It's a tiny pencil. We also have, it's a tiny ruler. And we have, I think, oh, it's a little highlighter that is shaped like a piece of candy. That's cute. Let's see what else we have in here. We have a small little pocket folder. Oh, we're ready for school, guys. And then we have a little stationery kit with little envelopes. Are these all little envelopes? Oh, they are all little envelopes. They're little tiny envelopes with a rainbow. And we have a small little notebook with more rainbows. So we're gonna put our school supplies back into our backpacks. Now let's open our second world's smallest toy. Are you guys ready for the countdown? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Let's try it again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Guys, it's an alligator. So I think you press down its teeth until he bites you. It's so cute. Chomp, 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 chomp. Hi, Mr. Alligator. Can you guys say hi to Mr. Alligator? We have one more mystery toy to unbox. Are you guys ready? This backpack is purple with pink and blue. Guys, we got a little tiny tape dispenser with glittery tape. We also got, this is a rainbow notepad, like a sticky notepad. Let's stick it on our alligator. Chomp, 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 chomp. See? And we also got tiny color pencils. And we have another notebook And we also have this tiny little folder with rainbows on it. Is there anything else inside? There is! You're right! These are tiny stickers! So we're gonna put our items back in our tiny backpack. And zip, 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 zip! And we're done! I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video today. I'll see you guys soon! Adios!
It is time to go and paint. It is time to go and